Hood, What's good, Hood Rich fam? Hood Rich Credit tapping in. Look, y'all, right now I'm waiting on a homeboy from high school. I'm about to be helping him out with his credit profile. I'm gonna look over his profile. I'm gonna see what exactly he needs to get approved for some credit cards that he says he's trying to get. He says he's trying to expand to a construction business. Whatever it is, I'm gonna be the guy today to help him. So, like I said, we're gonna look over his profile. He's about to come. I told him to pull up. Hey, I'm about to start doing these videos where I'm just doing some drive-bys on people that I know, or anybody, any subscriber that is around me. You know, I'm gonna be looking over their profile, see what they need. You know what I mean? I'm for the people, I guess. So I'll catch y'all when he comes. I bet, let's run it. So you got Credit Karma, right, Kel?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pull it up.
I got you.
I told that boy Kel, he pulled up fresh, man. He got the vape on.
Chill, nothing crazy. I'm just trying to match you, man.
I bet. We're gonna look over your profile. Just get like a zoom in of like me showing like the credit profile and shit. So what are you trying to get, bro?
Mainly what I'm trying to get into is like the credit cards, high-end credit cards, so I could like start like, you know, like doing big purchases and shit like that. Mainly just for just to invest, you feel me? Try to resell. You know? Try to
like
get
kicks
into
and shit.
Yeah, more like kicks, or sometimes like shit you need, bro. Like sometimes like there's cars that, you know, like sometimes like you can flip and shit. And they don't need much, you feel me? So it's like with a credit card, like let's say you buy parts, you buy the paint, you get all that covered. You feel me? You flip the car and then you pay back. Yeah. That's my goal, you feel me? That's my goal, you feel me? Do shit like that.
That's a good plan. Shout out to my boy Alex. I got a homeboy named Alex, bro. He just buys like Tahoes, cause down here in South Florida, like Tahoe.
People like big engine cars.
Exactly, bro. So like what he does is he just basically buys the Tahoes. Well, he does cash, but I'm pretty sure now he does credit. So he takes out the cash.
Bro, like that's the
card.
way, bro. You feel me? Like you don't even need your own money anymore to like, you know, to be like buying shit, you know. Like,
use the banks, bro.
Exactly, you feel me? You make profit, you pay it back.
So you got a 640. Well, remember that Credit Karma is not really accurate. They give you like an estimate of what your score is looking like. So your payment history is 97.
This is when I ain't know shit about credit. That's the funny part. Like, you feel me? Like I ain't know like you have to be paying that bitch every month. So like I learned that shit through the hard way. You feel me? I missed 1 month, and that shit fucked me up.
Damn, yeah, in 2022, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Like I was like barely getting into credit and shit. Like, you know, like
we get them shit sweet though.
Yeah, bro. Like honestly, like I just been trying to stay on top of it. Right now, like literally, like last month, like I paid off like all my credit card debt. So like my shit's like it should be like coming in like more and more. Like it should keep going up. You know, shit takes time. So
what we need to do is, because you trying to get approved for them credit cards, they gonna see them those late payments from 2022, bro, and they gonna want to deny you. I'm telling you right now. So we gonna get them shit sweeped off. I'll get you signed in with my credit repair program.
My shit was even lower though. It used to be like 91 or some shit like that. And then since I guess I've been keeping up with the payments, it's been going up.
The percentage,
the percentage, Because I remember like when I first got it, that shit used to say 100%. Because I guess I never missed the payment or some shit.
Yeah. Now your credit card usage, you just gotta bring the balances down. You gotta credit one bank, 470 out of 550.
I paid all that shit off though. That's what I'm telling you. Like I'm just waiting for that shit to like
refresh.
Basically.
Yeah.
So that should come in the credit report and whatever, and then that's when it should go down and my credit score should keep going up.
Damn, you got a good amount of Capital One cards, ain't it?
I got 2, and I got one with some shit called Credit One or some shit like that. I thought it was the same. I thought it was the same company at first.
Yeah.
So when they offered me, I was like, all right, fuck it, I'm already with Credit One, so I might just get it. But then since how it was a whole different banking.
Yeah.
But like it's alright. Like
yeah, people get confused because the thing is with Credit One, they like try to copy Capital One, but the thing
that's what I'm saying. At first I thought it was Capital One,
but they worse than Capital One. That's the thing, because they charge you fees.
They do. So I try not to use that bitch so much. And you know what's funny? That's the one that has like the highest credit limit.
Gee?
Yeah.
How much they give you? Let me see.
My credit limit is not that high. Like, I got 3, right? And one of them is like 550. I think the other one is like 400.
They give you 550. Yeah.
You feel me? So it's like whatever. You feel me? So it's like that's why I was like, should I apply for the Navy Federal ones, the ones that you was telling me about?
Yeah.
You know that.
Oh, you got that Navy account?
Yeah, you told me, bro. Yeah. I've been working on that bitch. I got like the direct deposit set up on that bitch. And
the checking account, you've been showing them deposits.
Yeah, bro.
You gotta get secure swipe or pre-qualified. They might throw you an unsecured.
I saw that. I told you about it. Like I was looking at my applications, and I tried to see like if I could get pre-qualified before I apply for anything. And then he showed me like a good amount of cards. I think I even took a screenshot of it. Yeah, let me see if we can show you. Yeah, I can show you.
Oh, then you straight then, bro. If they pre-qualify you for all that, bro.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
You a good limit.
And then I was looking in between the perks and shit like that. So some other would say, oh, this credit card is good, you know, to pay it off over time. This credit card is good if you like to spend it a lot, so you could get a lot of like points and benefits and shit like that. So it's like, I was like, I mean, I ain't really need all that. Mainly what I focused on was that literally like 2 days ago.
Oh, 2 days ago you did that pre-qualify? Oh,
yeah.
They might throw you a bag, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
That's why I'm like, all right, like I'm gonna
try it
out.
out.
Yeah, but I mean, I just didn't want to touch anything. You feel me? Because like I don't know much. Like I'm somewhat familiar with it. Yeah. But like I wasn't like, you know, I wasn't really trying to like fuck with it because like what if I like apply for the wrong card or shit like that?
Nah, that's good. So I give you some advice. You right now with them late payments that you got in 2022, any other bank, they're not gonna approve you. Now with Navy, the reason why they're throwing you them offers is because they forgive bad credit or like if you got some negatives on your credit because you've been banking with them. You've been showing them activity for a long time. I remember I told you that like
bro,
a long time
2021
ago.
Type shit.
Yeah,
like
I told him that in the gym when I was first starting in the credit game. I was like, hey, open up a Navy checking account, bro. I like that one.
The platinum,
get closest.
This is the one that like kind of had got my attention because this is the one that was saying, oh look, like you could you get paid off with time.
Yeah, I like the platinum because the thing is it has the lowest interest rate. You got to balance with a credit card, right? That you want to transfer that balance to this card because let's say that other card is charging you a lot of interest every month. You could transfer it to this card.
So like let's say if I do like a lot of spending on whatever card and then I could just transfer that debt into this card.
One. Yeah.
So like the APR and all that shit is lower.
No, it doesn't have zeros.
Oh, it's zero?
Zero for 12 months. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
That's fire. That's why I like this card. So I would recommend going for this one. These are like, they just got some perks.
I was looking at them. That's why I was like, this one's caught my eye though because of the traveling and shit. You know? I be like going in and out of the country and shit.
Oh yeah, well it depends. It depends what you want. Like if you want to travel more, you get this one.
Yeah, but like now, honestly, I'm mainly more focused on like, you know, high-end creditors. So I could just, you know.
Get the platinum, bro. I mean, you could go for it. That's the best card I would recommend right now. That's the only, Navy Fed is like the only institution right now that's going to approve. Any other bank, American Express, Chase, and all them.
That's why I haven't been trying to fuck with them because I ain't trying to get no hard inquiries in or any of that shit either. You feel me? Like
they're gonna deny you, bro. I'm gonna be real with you because they're gonna look at your Credit One card. They're gonna look at that Capital One card. They're gonna be like, oh, they only threw $300, $550. Like, why are we gonna approve them? But now Navy, they might throw you a big bag because it's like, okay, he's been banking with us since 2021. He's been showing us deposits, bro. So if you want to get a card right now, platinum, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's platinum, bro.
Just like, apply for it.
You want to?
We go. Fuck it, yeah, let's do it. I mean, it's like I've been waiting on it, but I was like, you feel me? Like I was just like, damn, like I'm scared. You know?
Yeah.
I be scared of all that shit, bro, because it's like you never know, bro. Like
there might be a better option or some shit like that. All right.
I just don't know what's best, you know. Like I'm familiar now. Like you know, I'll be watching like some of your videos, other from here and there, like credit videos and shit like that, or like how to like actually work on it, what's best for you, how to, and then like shit like that. You feel me?
All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to put on the application. That way you can get the best chances of approval. So like, let's say you make $50,000 a year, right? I always tell people to add somebody that you live with, like household income. Like let's say you live with your mom or like a friend or some shit like that, or your girl, and your girl make $50,000. Add that to the application. So now the application on it is going to be 100K instead of 50K, right? Household income. So when the banks look at that, they'll be like, oh shit, he's making 100K. They're more willing to give you a higher credit card loan. And it's not illegal or nothing because you're putting household income. When you do a credit card application, you always want to come off like you working a job. Because if you like self-employed, they're going to think it's like a higher risk, bro. Like self-employed, bro, you call always lose your income. Yeah. You get what I'm saying? But like if you work a job, they're more stable with it. They'll be like, okay, if he's been working for this job for like 4, 5+ years, he's more steady than being self-employed. Like I don't think they're gonna fire his ass. They just want to make sure like you gonna make the payments on the credit card. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So a stable job.
But I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I also got a stable job too. You feel me? I started working with the county not too long ago and shit.
There's no reason for you to be getting denied. You can zoom in now. We're gonna submit the application.
Let's see. But that shit tells you on the spot or like what?
Yeah, it tells you on the spot. They should approve you, bro. If they don't, then you straight. Like, they ain't gonna do a big ass effect.
Inquiry, right? Yeah. And you be calling this shit off all the time and shit.
Yeah. Oh look, they approved you. So they approved you for 7,100. So you got 7,100 that you can play with now. Now it looks better on your credit. That's gonna report on your credit 7,100. You use it, paid off on time. Use it, paid off on time. Something like 6 months. Then you can apply for more credit cards because it's gonna report as a new credit card on your credit.
Yeah, I literally just got the email right now. There's a new inquiry.
You gotta let it age. You gotta let it age. So like 6 months, then you reapply from Apple Cards, American Express, whatever you're trying to go for. You get what I'm saying? Always go to like your credit unions or the institutions you bank with. They're gonna show you the most love. Now, if you would have done this with like Chase, you bank with Chase?
Nah.
Do you see what I'm saying? If you try to apply with Chase right now, they're not gonna show you love like Navy Fed just showed you love. You get what I'm saying? His highest limit was a $550 Credit One card. Now you got a 7.1K credit card that you can play with.
Shit, that's lit. What
that's crazy, right?
Yeah, that shit wild, man. So then what? This shit just gonna come through the mail now?
Yeah, now it's gonna come.
That's it?
That's it, bro.
What the fuck? Yo,
that's it,
fire.
man. That's it. So
that's fire,
I
bro.
told you, bro, they was gonna show you love. You got your LLC open?
I'm trying to. That's one shit I wanted to ask you about too, bro. Cause it's like I'm self-employed with the barbering shit, right?
Yeah.
I feel like the taxes on that shit fucking up like crazy, bro.
Jeez.
Like, yeah, like if I claim more than 40K, like, bro, taxes be like more than 5K that I gotta pay back and shit. And then it's just like,
yeah. That's why you gotta do your business, bro. Cause if you open up your LLC and you have all your money flowing through that business checking account, you could do tax write-offs, bro. You could be like, oh, this expense was for business. You show it to your tax lady or whoever's doing your taxes, and they'll like guide you through it. But they'll write off everything from your taxes.
Almost everything, right?
Exactly. And then your income is gonna claim lower to the IRS, and now you don't really owe that much in taxes.
Bro, they fucked me up like 2 years like that. Where I went to like a whatever tax lady, you feel me? She ain't really tell me none of that. So she was like, oh, how much you made? And I was like, oh, look, through my bank statements or whatever, I checked it, like the annual ones. And they said, oh, I make like around 53K. Sometimes it'll be like 60.
Yeah.
So like I'll claim that. So my first year, I remember I claimed 47,000, bro. Like, cause she was like, oh, look, this was your annual income, so let's just claim that. I was like, all right, for sure, let's just do that. Me thinking I ain't no shit, you feel me? Like, oh, I'ma be straight. Yeah. Bro, later on, like, I get like IRS letters and shit saying, oh yeah, like, you gotta come up out of pocket for 7,000 and shit.
7 bands?
Bro, I was just like,
oh,
hell no, bro.
Bagged you, yeah.
Bro, she tried me like that. So then, even to this day, like, I'm still paying that shit off, you feel me? Because I had to make an account with like the IRS and this and that. That's what I was thinking. At least at LLC.
Go on something called InkFile. Now they call themselves Busy. You could create your LLC right there, and they'll charge you $200 to open up your first LLC in Florida, bro. With everything that you need.
You need like an office too and shit like that, right?
Nah, you don't need it, bro.
You don't?
You just need the documentation, bro. You straight, bro. You don't need no office.
You see, this is the shit that I wanted to, like, yeah, right? Yeah, this is the shit like I wanna, like, you know, learn, bro. Cause it's like certain shit that, you know, like I'll be like, bro, like other people do it too. You feel me? And then it's like, how are people getting away with it? But then it's like when I'm doing it, you know, like
exactly,
because, bro. Because you don't know, you feel me?
Yeah, you a barber, bro. Like, you working from the shop or whatever, bro. You don't have to have an office, bro. That's what a lot of people get wrong. They're like, damn, I need a whole business to create an LLC and
that's
all this
what I'm saying. You feel me? Shit like that I don't really know.
Now you open up a business checking account. You can do it with Navy Fed. You can go to Chase, open up a business checking. Me personally, I got Bank of America. I got a business checking with them. All the transactions, tell your clients, tell me through my business account. This is my business phone number.
One thing I've been trying to do is just avoid like having like my clients tell me straight up to my bank account, because I feel like shit like that just like
it's all trackable, bro. So
that's what I'm
make
saying.
it trackable through your business account, bro. You know what I'm saying? Anything that you're gonna spend, put it on the business debit card if you're gonna use a debit card or the credit card. That's why people get business credit cards, because what they do is they got their business credit card. You know how it tells you all the transactions.
And then they use it, right? And then they be like, oh, so this is for like business expense or whatever.
Exactly. And they show it to their tax lady.
Right,
it's written off.
Sometimes you can even put like somebody else as like the CEO of your LLC. Exactly. You just put yourself as an employee, right?
Exactly. You put yourself as an employee and you pay yourself a certain amount.
That's what I'm saying.
The IRS can't say shit because that's what legally you're getting paid through your business.
That's what I was thinking, like, but it's like,
you got it though, bro.
You feel me? He's just saying shit like that I know, but it's like when it comes to the LLC and getting professional with it, that's the shit I don't know.
You just had to put it together, bro. I'm telling you, they know it. They know what they do. The tax people know what they're doing. It's just they feel like you're just a regular person just trying to get your taxes done. You get what I'm saying?
You feel me?
You don't really ask, and then they're not gonna do it for you. You know what I'm saying? But now you know. You tell her, hey, look, I got a business checking account. I want everything flowing through my business, and yeah, bro, you're gonna claim lower taxes, and you're not gonna pay a lot of taxes.
Telling you, bro, watching your videos and shit like that, that shit help, bro. Like, just as you see it, bro, like, yeah, niggas walk out with like no payment on like a Hellcat and shit like that. I be like, bro, what?
How these niggas doing it?
Exactly, you feel me? Like, I need to get on that. Yeah. That's just shit like, you know, I be worrying about it, and I be like, nah, bro, like, I need to do this. I need to hit up my boy.
Now you see it, bro. You gotta
little by little, though, right? Like,
little by little, bro. Soon it's gonna be 20K swipes, 30K swipes, 40K swipes.
But like, what is it? Or what's the game? How is it that you get it like up so quick?
So like, look, I just helped you get approved for a 7.1K card. You let that age, you let it sit on your credit for 6 months. Now you go to another bank, they're gonna be like, okay, you got a 7.1K card. Okay, I could approve him for 14K, 15K. You know what I'm saying? Because they already see you got 7K. Now if you had them Capital One cards and Credit One cards only,
yeah, them banks be stingy, right?
$300, $500, they're gonna be like, bruh. Another bank is gonna see that, they're gonna be like, bruh.
Yeah, they only shoot him another file or some shit.
Yeah, exactly, bruh. So it goes by what's on your history. You know what I'm saying? Like real life shit. Like if someone's never let me borrow 10 bands, 20 bands because they don't trust me, they're not gonna give me up the bread, bro. That's the same way the banks look at you with your credit. They look at your credit. You got some high limits? Okay, we could throw them some high limits too. They trust other banks.
It's more like about your rep, right?
Exactly, your reputation. So now your reputation is gonna be even better with that 7.1K card. They're not gonna look at the $500 limits and the $300 limits no more. They're gonna be like, okay, not too long ago he got approved with Navy for 7.1.
I've also been watching videos that they say it's always better to be banking with like credit unions and actual like regular banks.
Exactly.
Regular banks are like stingy and shit like that.
Regular banks, the thing is, they look at your credit and they want good ass credit. Credit unions, they more like relationships. So like, let's say you've been doing bad with other banks, but you've been doing good by them. You've been showing them deposits and you've never done wrong by them. They'll throw you a bag, even if you got bad credit. It's all relationship banking. That's why I knew Navy Fed was gonna throw you a bag, because you've been with them since 2021. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, but only if I knew back there, right?
That's
when you
the
put
thing,
me
bro.
on,
Yeah.
bro. I remember you was like, bro, just put like 200 on your savings and then try for that secure card. I remember all that. And I was gonna do it not too long ago. But then that's when I started just looking through, like fucking with the app and shit and looking at the applications. And that's when I was like, hold on, this shit says I'm pre-approved for shit. You feel me?
Yeah.
So that's when I was like, all right, I'm gonna hit this nigga up, see what's up, and then
Just so you wouldn't do mistakes or some shit like that.
you feel me? Like, I don't know, I'm just trying to do this shit the right way.
Yeah.
You feel me? That's why like you need to get mentorships.
Now you got that bag, bro. It's hot though, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm sweating marble. But yeah, Kev, appreciate you tapping into the channel, bro.
Nah, I appreciate
Hey,
you, man.
he's comfortable with the camera, bro. Most people don't be comfortable with the camera, bro. I be telling them, hey, let's drop a bid.
They be like, nah. I mean, that was somewhat iffy, but you feel me? We just
Popped
talking
out fresh,
business,
man.
bro.
Yeah.
You feel me? So
I'm like,
Hood, rich.